Hey everyone, welcome back to Study HQ. This is part 3 of the Digital Nomad series, and in this video we are going to discuss how to apply for a Digital Nomad Visa. If you have been thinking, this whole visa thing sounds complicated, I have got you. We'll walk through the whole process step by step, and by the end of this video you'll be more confident diving it in. Choose your destination. First things first, where do you want to go? Not every country offers a digital nomad visa. Think about what suits your lifestyle. You want city life, fast internet, beaches, or low taxes. Places like Estonia, Barbados, and Portugal are popular, but the list keeps on growing. If you want the more list of countries, go check out our first video on digital nomad. Second, check your eligibility requirements. Alright. Before you start packing your bags, let's talk requirements. Most digital nomad visas ask you to provide a steady income, usually between $3,000 to $5,000. This is to make sure that you can support yourself while living there. You will need a few basics. Proof that you work remotely, either a job contract or evidence of your freelance business. A valid passport, health insurance, and sometimes a clean criminal record. Oh, and every country has slightly different rules, so make sure you read that fine print. Third, gather your documents. Now this part can feel like a bit of a paperwork marathon, but trust me, getting organized now can save you a ton of stress later. You will need a valid passport, obviously, passport style photos, usually just 1 or 2, proof of income like bank statements, invoices, or a letter from your employer, proof of remote work, freelancers, this means invoices or client contracts, health insurance, double check that it covers you in your new country. And here's a pro tip, some countries require translations or notarized copies, so don't wait until the last minute to check. Step 4. Fill out the application. Okay, so once your docs are good to go, it's now time for the actual application. Most of the time you can do this online, which makes life a lot more easier. Just fill in your details, name, job, income, planned stay, and double check everything before you hit submit. Tiny mistakes like missing a doc or a typo in your name can delay your approval. So take your time, relax, and review before you send it in. Step 5. It's time to submit and pay the fees. And that's it. Time to hit submit and pay the application fees. The cost varies. A Barbados visa is around $2,000 while others like Estonia are much cheaper. You'll usually pay by credit card or bank transfer. Once that's done, you should get a confirmation email. Now save it, screenshot it, print it, but just don't lose it. You might need it later. Moving on, step 6. Track your application and prepare for interviews. Alright, now we wait. Most applications take a couple of weeks, but some can take a couple of months. Keep an eye on your email in case they need extra documentations. Oh, and some countries require an interview. Step 7 is the final prep. Once you're approved, it's go time. Book your flights, sort out your accommodation, and check if you need to register when you arrive. And one of the best things you can do, join digital nomad groups online. Trust me, meeting other remote workers before you land makes a huge difference. And that's a wrap. I hope this guide makes applying for a digital nomad visa less overwhelming. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with a friend who needs this, and of course, subscribe for more such tips. See you in the next video.